Hey, it's Travis. I've had multiple inquiries about how I trade gold and how I picked it up, how I learned it, etc. So I'm just going to jump in and make this real quick of what I do. First, starting with the fundamentals of what to look for. As you can see on the screen, the US dollar versus gold financial news, how I surround myself with experts in gold, and my trading setup. First rule of thumb is when the US dollar is up, it puts pressure on gold and makes the price go down. When the US dollar is down, it makes gold go up. Pretty simple. So it's real easy to Google any financial news concerning gold. There's thousands of outlets for it. That should be real easy to do. Just daily news. Let's call this macro world news. And moving on to micro news now. The micro news here is basically meetings surrounded metal sales, gold manufacturing, things like when the price of silver goes up, that will put pressure on gold. So these meetings that happen are scheduled, and we look at them in an intraday level. Notice at 10 a.m. on the red folder, ISM manufacturing. For example, the little red letters to the right, the actual is 49.0 showing red, which means it's down from what it was yesterday. And then the projection is 47.8, so it's going even lower, resulting in what's shown on the charts right here. Gold is obviously on a huge downtrend according to the latest news. So we learned to identify the trends and then ask the experts. Now, Nova here is an independent gold trader who's been doing it for 8 years. She has an account on TradingView for the public to see. She has a paid service for signals as well. She does forecasts and projections. She's into this news way more than I am. These guys have time all day to focus. So in the end, they just give you the results. Pretty cool. Every day she translates the data and puts it on the screen as you see here. This is every day. So we watch the news, we look at the micro, the macro, fundamentals, and then we go to the experts to see what they're saying and their projections and understand their homework. Another one is Linda. Linda has been doing this for 10 years in gold, and she's a little bit more advanced, a little bit more technical. If you notice to the left, those micro meetings we were talking about, micro news, she will show you what the news actually is currently, and then she will publish her information. And here's some confluence that I like to follow, is that when these experts are all saying the same thing, we have confluence in the movement of gold in which we trade. So this is a very technical and analytical observation day to day. So we're not just gambling, like guessing which way gold's going to go. No, the news speaks, gold moves, we act with the trend, and that's how it works. Moreover, I'm actually subscribed to Nova's personal Telegram, and when she trades her signals, I get them right in my inbox. So I have assurance in my judgment before placing a trade. Like if she's doing it and I feel the same way about the trade, I'll go. If I see something wrong, I won't. But it's just a little extra confluence I have in trading gold, which has resulted in my like 100 wins to 8 losses. So moving on to my trade setup, there's 3 things you need for your tools. That one is tradingview.com for your charting and analysis, timer and alerts for certain ranges we're looking for to place trades. I use Hugo's Way as the broker in which I take my money from them. And it's through them you download your standard MT4 trading console here to place your trades. This is where it happens. This is where you open your trades and close your trades on this terminal. So this is different from TradingView. TradingView is for charting. My MT4 broker is for opening and closing trades, transactions, stop losses. And that is it for my explanation. And I have another video that is focused on the end of this year going into next year, my projection of gold. I see a huge opportunity for investment to make like 1,000 times your money back on gold, because I believe it's fixed to drop hard to the last support zone back in around March of last year. So look at that video called Mega Wealth Opportunity Coming. So that wraps this up. Peace in the Middle East. Don't eat grease. Something that rhymes with the name Charisse. Goodbye.